So the next is example 2. In example 2 and 3, we're going to convert. Okay, so let's convert 2 and pi over 3 to xy. So the solution, since r equals 2 and theta equals pi over 3, then x equals, remember r cosine theta, in our case, it will be 2 cosine pi over 3. Cosine pi over 3 is 1/2, so we end up having 1. Y equals r sine theta, again 2 sine pi over 3. Sine of pi over 3 is square root of 3 over 2, so we end up having square root of 3. So we end up having xy equals 1 square root of 3. Turn it, 2 in pi over 3 is the same as 1 in square root of 3. Depends on your coordinate system. So in polar, if I need to sketch it, this will be my polar system with radius equal to, again, this is the polar axis, theta equals 0, and we go pi over 3, which is about 60 degrees, and this is r equals 2, and this is the angle pi over 3. So this gives you 2 and pi over 3, and of course in a Cartesian system, xy, we have x equals 1 and y equals square root of 3. Square root of 3 is 1.7 approximately, so 1 and square root of 3. And you can see it's the same point, okay? Hopefully you see that. Example 3, we are looking to convert in reverse. Let's convert 1, -1 to r theta. And remember, r theta, we're probably going to have, not probably, we will have more than one coordinate pair r theta. As we said, a point is not defined uniquely. So what is the solution? We look at the other side of the conversion and we say that, okay, r squared equals x squared plus y squared. In this case, r by itself will be the square root of 1 squared plus -1 squared, and of course it's the square root of 2. So the radius, we can pick up radius of 2. What about the tangent? Well, tangent theta equals y over x, or -1 divided by 1, and this will be -1. Now, what is theta? What is the inverse? Theta will be the inverse tangent of -1. Now, the tangent is negative in quad 1, in quad 2, and quad 4, right? So, supposingly we have in quad 2, it will be 3 pi over 4. Remember, tangent of pi over 4 equals 1, and tangent of 3 pi over 4 equals -1. So we're looking at 3 pi over 4 in quad 2, and in quad 4 it will be 7 pi over 4, or -pi over 4. And then we can add 2 pi to that, right? So really, well, you're right. I'm getting there. Thanks. Okay. Actually, Kelton, since you go ahead and explain that to everybody.
Where y equals -1, even though it's square root of 2 over 2, and they both cancel for 1, y can only be negative in the quadruple y.
Okay, so which of the two we're going to pick up? The 7 pi over 4, right. And this is an excellent point, because really we are looking for a solution. The point is in quad 4, right? The point is in quad 4. Therefore, we're going to pick up theta equals 7 pi over 4, right? Or theta equals negative pi over 4. We can do either one. Okay? So now we have our theta. We can express it in terms of square root of 2 and 7 pi over 4, or square root of 2 and negative pi over 4, like so. Okay? And so we have two solutions here. Well, we have, as we said, we have more solution if you're willing to rotate more than one time.